Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to see your favorites on Instagram, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to view your favorites. Step 2. Next, look down to the bottom right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it to go to your profile page. Step 3. Now that you're on your profile, find the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on these to open the settings menu. Step 4. In the menu that appears, scroll down and look for the option labeled Favorites. Once you find it, tap on it. Step 5. You'll now see your entire favorites list displayed on the screen. If you want to remove someone from this list, simply tap on Remove next to their name. And that's it. You've successfully seen your favorites on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.